Okay, Annie, what have we got here tonight?
Sinigang.
What is it?
Sinigang corned beef.
Sinigang corned beef. What's that one?
We call it pechay bagyo. It's like a cabbage one.
Cabbage and beef.
Yeah.
Okay, what are these little things?
Siomai.
Siomai?
And this is the sauce and my sauce.
What's this sauce? Oh, that's the
Your favorite love, you always know.
spicy. Okay, and then some rice to boot, of course. Those little dumplings look nice. Okay. Well, what are these little things called again, Annie?
Siomai.
Siomai. What are they?
Siomai.
Like a pork dumpling.
Kind of. Pork siomai, that's big size only.
Okay, and we've got a little bit of rice, and then we've got some soy sauce with calamansi. Beautiful. Those little dumplings are lovely. Hey boss! Hard worker. Getting my iPhone cover protective case replaced, costing 100 peso, so $2. I'd be happy with that. Yeah, Danny getting some calamari, local street market. How much is it?
20 each. 5 pesos each.
Perfect. Veggie market. Street market. Outstanding. Perfume.
It's good for shake. 70 per kilo.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you, boss. How much? 70 per kilo.
I'm gonna buy the one is not really ripe.
What's your name, sir?
Jasper po.
What?
Jasper.
Jasmine. Very good. Fruit and veggie capital of GMA. Have you been to church? Been to church? Okay, Annie's branched out. We've changed from just the prawns. We're taking on the crab tonight. So looks pretty good. I'll let you know how we get on. Just about to tuck into some crab. This crab was the two big crabs. They were $2 for both of them. Very good value. Cruising around the mall in a bus. Plenty of ways to get around the SM Mall. Garlic,
vinegar.
pepper, vinegar sauce for the lupia, and some avocado, guacamole, nice noodles, and of course some rice to finish off. Looks even better on the plate. Plenty of carbo loading. I should do a marathon tomorrow to burn off the carbs. Alternatively, the Ford Everest or the Toyota Fortuna.
Sports
Mr. Nell, Mr. Allen. I love the pool here at Southwoods Golf and Country Club. It's only 25 metres long, but usually I get the pool to myself most days, and occasionally there's some young children who are learning to swim there, but so it's a great place to have a swim, and you can have a meal there also, and you've got these beautiful cabanas all the way around the pool. It's very, very relaxing. The swimming costs $10, or it's $12 for a swim and dine, where you have a swim and they give you a meal also. I'd strongly recommend the pork ahead of the chicken, as it's a very nice dish. I didn't like getting a full to myself today with a 3-year-old birthday party happening. So we've got pork casino and some veggies and some, what's in the tomato? Tomato, calamansi, some rice, soy sauce, and then veggies. Got some pumpkin, some cabbage, and some. Looking good. Doesn't get much better than this. I've got my sharks on one screen, and they're leading. I've got YouTube on the other screen. On the main TV, we've got the Scottish Open golf, and then we've got some tocino, some tomatoes, some veggies, and some rice. Living the dream, and a glass of Chardonnay to boot. Living the dream.